How to create ad account on Facebook Business Manager. To do that, what you can simply do is open Facebook on either your Google Chrome or your Facebook app if you are using your mobile device. Do follow these steps. After you open your Facebook, simply go on your profile page, which is your business page. So you can see there is the option of advertise and many other options, and I haven't created any ads till now. So how do we create it? To do that, go back, and on the top right section you will see there are three vertical lines. When you tap on this line, scroll down and down unless you see the option of ad manager, which is right here. So there is also the option of Meta Business Suite. So you will see everything about your business site in this Meta Business Suite, which should be installed on your phone, because if you are using your mobile device, then you should install the applications such as Meta Business Suite. And even for creating Ad Manager, you should install a new application, that is Ad Manager. When you tap on this Ad Manager, it says open. So for that, what you can simply do is go on the Google Play Store of your device, and on the search bar, you can simply search for Ad Manager. After you search for Ad Manager, you will see many options here, and you should install this application right here. After you install it, just open the application in your device, and after opening it, you will now see an interface like this. Now from here, you can create any campaigns, and then you can create ad account just like this on your mobile phone if you are using mobile. So you can just tap on create and create ads campaign just like that. So yes, this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If you liked our video, then please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.